Finding the courage to change, molehills or mountains. One of the symptoms of growing up in a dysfunctional environment is a habit of reacting. Frequently, the habit is overreacting. Suppose I discover some unwashed dishes left in the sink. My old reaction was to create a scene. I flew into stomping, shouting, scolding, punishing, or manipulating. I turned each mountain into a molehill. Each little transgression was transformed into proof of a larger problem. The problem with this habit of overreacting is that what I focus on expands. With each overreaction, I was feeding the problem. Soon, I did have a mountain of problems. My close relationships frequently failed. I knew I was somehow contributing, but I could not figure out what was going on. Today, I'm learning to take things at face value. I don't have to blow them up into huge mountains. I can choose to see that a dirty dish is just a dirty dish. I'm more likely to have success if I take a different approach. I step away from a situation for a minute or a half hour until I can soothe myself back to my normal good humor. I've learned to pivot to gratitude as an antidote to resentment. I focus on the positive attributes of my person. I remind myself of all their good qualities. I remember how greatly they give to me in other ways. I realize that perhaps those dishes are really not such a big deal. It's just a molehill after all.